What I need is a shot blast cabinet. So I've made 2 steel rings. These are to hold the gloves in. I did this with a plasma cutter. That's why they're not very round, because I did it freehand. And I drilled 8 holes. We're going to pass bolts through these, through the gloves and through the barrel. And we're going to use some sealant to prevent the dust coming back out the holes. Sorry, I couldn't get any video of me gluing and screwing this into position, but the glue was going off and it's now all over everybody's fingers. Nice. It's glued on the inside with high-tack glue, screwed and then sealed around the outside as well. So I think we should have got a pretty good seal on that. Okay, so we've connected Charles, the Hoover, to our shot blast cabinet. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, I can't move these, no. So to combat this, I'm just going to drill some relief holes in here, and I don't know how many I'm going to need, so I might just put 2 in to start with. happy with how this turned out. There are some things I'd do better next time. I would probably use a guide to cut these circles, and I'd probably put something on here that's a little bit better than gaffer tape. I just did this to tidy it up. I might make some wooden strips to go around the outside, paint them black, and that'll look quite nice. I've drilled about 300 holes in the top of here to allow air in. It's still not allowing enough air in. It still makes the gloves quite hard to use. I think what I might do next is take the seal out of this end of the drum. One that will help me put the door on easier, and another thing that will help is hopefully it will have some airflow going across, which should keep the dust away from the windscreen. I've also now got a shelf where I can put my plasma cutter, and the Hoover sits down there quite nicely as well. Thanks for watching. This is Half Job George. See you next time.